Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export videos on CapCut. So for us to do that, you have to open your CapCut on your PC. Then before you can export a particular editing video on your CapCut, then you must have a particular project you're working on. You must have a ready-made project you're working on your CapCut. For example, this is a project I'm working on right here. So once I'm done with that, then I'm going to export it right here. This is export. Good. So this is where name project. This is where your exporting video to located on your local storage. You can see select exporting part. So let's say you want it to be under download, under video, or under your virtual storage. I'm going to pick this particular part, which is documents. Then you select the folder. Once you do that, then from here you can select the resolution of the video. Is it? Then the bitrate can make it. You can set as recommended. And once you do that, but if you want a good quality videos, then you can make set it as recommended. Then also the codec, you can set it, but this is okay. The most common compression method, which is the best. Then you can set your frame rate to this or this. After that, then just click on export. Once you complete the story on the stage for the exportation, then you can go back to your local storage, then check your video. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.